sensor works. LDR actually is a sensor whose resistance depend upon the change in light intensity. So LDR, the resistance of the LDR decreases with the increases in light intensity. So suppose if I am having a sensor LDR, as I show you, so in this calibrated scale, I am having a sensor which is very inside in this scale. I hope it is visible or not. Okay, so there is a sensor LDR inside this scale, and in this scale there is some numbering in the centimeter, and it is my LDR sensor. So LDR sensor here in, and at the end point there is some light, that is the light source at the very beginning. So what we have to do, we just have to measure that how my resistance is changes when the light intensity falls upon this sensor is changed. So suppose initially what will I do, I just put this sensor very close to the light source, like here. So what I have done, I have put the sensor very close to the light intensity of the light intensity at the LDR center. Now initially what I have to do, I have to measure the initial resistance. Suppose when my sensor is very close to the light source, at that point my resistance is 2.1, as we note down. 2.1 is my initial reading when my sensor is very close to the light source. Now what will I do, I just linearly increases or I can say I just increases the distance of the sensor from the light source. Suppose when I decreases my length up to for 5 centimeter and see how my resistance changes. So suppose I have put my sensor 5 centimeter away from the light source, and then I will see the reading. So at this point my resistance increases from 2.1 to 8.0. Again what will I do, I again use the same scale. Now I am doing, I am again increasing the distance from the light source and the sensor. So this is my 5 centimeter again, this much again. So now for this 5 centimeter my resistance will again increases as per the theory of the LDR. Again I will do the same thing. Again I increases the distances 36 to 31 like this, and see again my resistance is increases, and we will repeat this process for the next 5 centimeter like this, and note down the reading of the resistance. So from at 26 this much, 21.6. Again I will do the same procedure at 21, and I will note down the value of the resistance. So at 21 it is now 28.8 ohm. Again I will do the same thing. So it is 16 somewhere here. Okay. So again my resistance increases. So you have to repeat this process until my sensor is very far away from the light source. So at the point of 11 my resistance will be 48.2, and again for this 6, this is my resistance value 59.1, and at the beginning my value will be 74.6. So you have to absorb all these values and plot the graph of this distance versus the change in resistance. We have to check this value in the reverse order. We have to check the values in the reverse order. So we will do again the same thing. Now this time we have to what we have to do, we have to decrease the length of the light source and the sensor. So suppose at 6 what my resistance is 57.7 ohm, and now I will again decreases my value by 5 centimeter. So at 11, see, now my value will be 44.0 ohm. Again I will decrease the value by 5 centimeter. So at 11 to and 5 16, So at this point my resistance will be 34.9. Again at 21 I will see. So my resistance will be decreases by 26.1 ohm. Now, so if we are decreasing the length, then my resistance will be decreases. So at 26 we will see this much, 19.4 ohm. At 31 my resistance will be 14.3 ohm, and at 36 it is 10.9 ohm, and at 41 it is 6.6 ohm, and at the last point 46 it is 2.8 ohm. So we have taken the reading in both the direction. First when we increases the distance from the sensor, and second time when we decreases the distance from the sensor, and we need to plot the graph of this reading. Thank you. Thank you all, and I will upload this lecture on the Google Meet soon. Thank you.